In this video, I'm going to repair this doorbell. So this doorbell is just an ordinary doorbell. It's wired and I bought it years ago from a local store. Unfortunately, the batteries were stuck here, so there are corrosions there on the battery terminals. Then when plugging it on the power supply, it's not working, so I will look inside what's happening in there. I only found one screw here, and that screw is there. So what I do is I will remove that, and most probably I will try to remove this plate by force in this point. Yeah, I actually can't remove it. Most probably the plastic inside is already, it's not, the screw is not properly inserted there. So I think I just have to try to pull it by force. Okay guys, I was able to remove it now. This is the only thing that locks it, and there you go. So it's just a simple circuit, and I don't know why it's not working, but it could be somewhere here. I don't see anything that is not soldered. It seems everything is soldered, so I will try to put supply on it and see if it will turn on again. Look at these terminals. This one is okay, but this one is really corroded, so I might just remove it so they can have a good contact, and it doesn't smell good. So I managed to pull this here and then strip the insulator, and from this side you will see it's a -1, so I will hook the black here and then red on the other one. And it's beeping. It's beeping, so it seems to be okay. It turns out that when I tried to put my contact here for the negative wire, when I initially tested it, maybe the rust in the terminals are not having a good electrical connection. That's why it's not, alarming, but it seems to be okay. But the problem there is that I should press this button before it should sound the alarm. So I think I need to open this or try to probe if this is shorted there. Okay, I think that's my next move. What I will do now is try to see if this button is still okay. So since that button is this white wire, I can just try to look if it gets shorted when I press it. So now I'm hooked in there. So if I press this, it seems to be fine. Yeah. Unfortunately, when I try to put supply on it, it will start to beep. See that? It starts to beep even though I am not pressing this. Yeah. The possible issue here is this board, so I don't think I can still use this, but a whole thing, but I think I can still use this part for some other projects, and yeah, so probably this button as well. So that's it for this video now, for this repair attempt. So if you think it's interesting, please subscribe on the channel so I can continue doing these videos. Thank you.